Have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
Do you plan on hiring one?
No, sir.
Are you going to represent yourself, or do you wish
Yes,
to have
sir.
a public defender to represent?
All right. Problem number one. I see already. Why is this nigga representing himself? All right.
What are you talking about?
Sir?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about eligible obligation on the USCA.
Oh, you talking all that kind of stuff. I'm striking all that. And if I hear it again, I'm not going to let you represent yourself.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Grubs. You already know what it is, nigga. I mean, you saw the title of the video. Fuck around, you find out, and we about to see. Stop playing for real.
Whoa!
I filed my eligible obligation.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about eligible obligation on the USCA.
Oh, you talking all that kind of stuff. I'm striking all that. If I hear it again, I'm not going to let you represent yourself. I promise you.
Oh,
That's enough. I don't want to hear another word.
okay. I'd like to also.
Another one? I don't want to hear another word. No, put him out. Man, want me like that? Hush. Get him out of the courtroom. I don't want to hear another word. I just heard another word, Mr. Baker. Hush. All right, Mr. Baker, you're before the court day for your arraignment. And let's see.
As you can see, we in court today. Stop playing.
You're not. Have you hired an attorney?
No, sir.
Do you plan on hiring one?
No, sir.
Are you going to represent yourself, or do you wish
Yes,
to have
sir.
a public defender to represent?
All right. Problem number one. I see already. Why is this nigga representing himself? All right, listen. All right, unless you went to law school and you've been in the courtroom and actually done the work of a lawyer and actually understand the logistics, right, of the courtroom in and out, do not represent yourself. All you're going to do is make yourself probably look like a fool and end up going to jail anyway. All right, so please. You know what I mean? Especially, no. A lawyer's job, you cannot, that's not easy. All right? It takes a lot of skill and research and knowledge to do that. And you do not, whatever articles you read online or whatever videos you watch on YouTube or Instagram ain't gonna help you, nigga. You need some real knowledge. And that's only done in this situation when you go to law school and you work in the courtroom.
Present you.
No, sir. I'm representing myself.
All right, you're before the court day for your arraignment. You've been charged by way of an information with possession of a cocaine, possession of a controlled substance, count 1 and 2. Those are both third-degree felonies, punishable to 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $5,000 fine. You have a count 3, which is fleeing or attempting to elude high-speed reckless. I believe that should be a second-degree felony, punishable to 15 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $10,000 fine.
Man, you got some serious ass charges, bro. You sure you don't want a lawyer, nigga? And bro, you don't get up and do this every day. A lawyer, they work multiple cases, so they understand how the courtroom works. They understand, like, if it's better to get a deal out of the case. They look at the case, right? And they look at the facts. They look at what the prosecution has. Your lawyer would do this. They look at what the prosecution has, how much evidence they has against you, and decide whether if they can fight it or if you should take a plea deal, right? I doubt he talked to the prosecution. Okay. So if they got a mountain load of evidence on him, nigga, you need to take a deal.
Count 4 is drive my license, cancel, suspend, or revoke. Third or subsequent offense, that's a third-degree felony, punishable to 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections and a $5,000 fine. And count 5, possession of marijuana less than 20 grams, which is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable to 1 year in the county jail and a $1,000 fine. So you're looking at a total of about 30 years in the Florida Department of Corrections if you're convicted of everything and you get the maximum sentence. And you're still wishing to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
Or if you'll raise your right hand to be sworn in.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Baker, state your name.
Lee Baker.
And Mr. Baker, you have asked to represent yourself. Is that correct?
Yes.
How far did you get in school?
9th grade.
Okay. And so you can read and write?
Oh my fucking God, bro. This is about to go bad. You didn't even graduate high school, my G. Not trying to throw shade on you for that, but you can still be something in life without school, but it's just that, nigga, when it comes, you sure you ready for this? And you don't even got the full high school education? Bruh, let alone, nigga,
Yes.
Okay. Are you employed?
No, sir.
All right. How do you make a living?
I'm unemployed right now. I was living with someone else.
Sir?
I'm unemployed. I was living with someone else. I just got out of jail about 5 months ago.
Okay. Well, what is your trade?
I have my own business,
All right. What kind of business?
a cleaning business.
Okay. And have you ever represented yourself before?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
All right. Let's give him some grace. All right. Maybe I'm wrong.
Today, which would affect your ability to make this decision to represent yourself?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with a mental illness that would affect your ability to
No, sir.
to make this decision?
No.
All right. You understand that attorneys are trained in the rules of evidence, criminal procedure, and the law, and they're there to assist you in preparing for pretrial motions, preparing for pretrial hearings, and to participate in discovery, and also preparing for trial.
Comprehend that very well.
All right, and sir, you understand that if you're representing yourself, you'll be held to that same standard.
I comprehend that.
All right, and I cannot assist you in any way. The state attorney would not be able to assist you in any way. Is that correct?
I comprehend.
All right, and you still wish to represent yourself?
Yes.
All right, Madam Clerk, if you'll print out the information, and Deputy Dexter, it's okay if the clerk hands the information to Mr. Baker? All right, Madam Clerk, if you'll do that. Mr. Baker, when you receive that information, I'm going to ask that you enter a plea at this time.
I'd like to file 2 motions on the record as well, sir.
I want to do your arraignment first.
All right.
What is he pleading? What you gonna plea?
All right, whenever you're ready, you'll let me know and you enter your plea.
I end up plea or not guilty.
Okay. All right, you're filing motions?
Yes, sir. I
You have copies for the state?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I got a declaratory judgment, and I want to furnish this bond to the clerk
You file it. Go ahead.
for my release from the Bay County Jail today.
Okay.
That's the declaratory judgment. That's for the clerk only.
Now, you're providing a copy of the state, everything you've given the clerk?
The bond, I shouldn't have to give the bond. The bond goes straight to the clerk.
Anything you file that you want me to consider, you have to provide a copy to the state, sir. That's you're representing yourself. You have to know those rules. If you don't, you're going to mess up.
That.
If you're not providing to the state, I'm not going to consider it.
Okay.
Oh,
And the clerk doesn't make any determinations on that.
right. See, this is why I said this is why you need to go to school and know the law and know what the fuck you're doing. The smallest mistakes in these situations can cost you. You not knowing that you gotta give your documents not only to the clerk, but to the state. He said the judge like, yeah, if you don't give it to the state, I can't even consider that motion. You gotta know your business.
All the clerk determines is whether you're indigent or not.
I'm not talking about the bond for the declaratory judgment. I'm talking about the bond for the clerk to release me today. I filed my eligible obligation.
What are you talking about?
Sir?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about eligible obligation on the USCA.
Oh, you talking all that kind of stuff. I'm striking all that. And if I hear it again, I'm not going to let you represent yourself. I promise you. He's already entered a not guilty plea. We'll set this for a pre-trial. We'll set it for don't ask me any questions like that, sir. I'm not answering any questions. If you want to file a motion, file your motion. We'll set it for our December. When's that motion day in December? December 19th at 9 o'clock. Sir, you may, if you're going to do the sovereign citizen and all that, you may want to consider having the attorney.
I'm a private citizen, sir. I'm not a.
Yeah, if you gonna do the sovereign citizen shit, get your own attorney. You gotta be careful. You know what I'm saying? This is why I say y'all gotta be careful when knowing the law. This is how you get yourself sent straight to jail, man. Do not come into court trying to represent yourself thinking you know the game. All right. If you don't know this game right here, get somebody who does. 9 times out of 10, you're better off hiring a lawyer. And even when you know you're better off hiring a lawyer, even if lawyers get locked up, they hire lawyers. Come on, bro. Lawyers don't even fight their own cases on their own. Why would you?
I'm a private citizen.
Listen to me. If you're going to pursue that, you may want to reconsider representing yourself,
No, sir.
but I'm not going to pay attention to any of that, and I'm going to strike all that. So
Okay.
we'll see you December 19th at 9 o'clock.
It's no problem.
That's
Oh,
enough. I don't want to hear another word.
okay. I'd like to also.
Another one, I don't want to hear another word. No, put him out.
Put your hands on me like that.
Hush. Get him out of the courtroom.
Mm.
I don't want to hear another word. I just heard another word, Mr. Baker. Hush. Whoa. Mr. Baker, I'm going to appoint the Office of Public
Oh,
Defender to represent you. I'm going to find that you're not competent to represent yourself at this time.
now you can't even represent yourself, dude. All right, this is why. Listen, y'all don't play games in court, okay? Today's video is different. You don't play games in court. When you go to court, you got to make sure you know what you're doing, all right? And make sure you hire a lawyer. This is why you hire a lawyer when you go to court, all right? Because the smallest things matter, all right? And that's how you get yourself sent back to jail, all right? But the best thing to do to avoid this situation is not go to court at all. Don't catch any cases, right? That's how you stay out the system, period. It all starts from making better decisions, all right? So, make better decisions so you don't have to end up facing 30 years in prison. Y'all stay up, y'all stay cool, y'all stay down, y'all stay out the way. It's your boy Grubs, and I'm out this motherfucker, man.